Okay, hi, I'm Thomas, and for my CS50 project, I learned how to use Manim, which is an online library for making in Python for making mathematical animations. And so let's just get right into it. This is the first animation I made. I'm going to loop through these first few ones a few times. Just playing with the pre-made Manim classes like circle and square, which allow you to really easily make and manipulate them. So we're playing around with color. We're using the rotate method here, and the dot create. I've actually created an object, but it lets you play just making the objects. So this one I made three of them, and I rotated all of them without realizing that rotating a perfect circle is just a circle. Now we're experimenting with moving them around the screen, and there's a few ways to do that. And I settled on the one that I like best, which should be coming. First over with my name. Um, okay, this is an example of something important. You need to redraw, like constantly redraw the square, right? Like every time. And so there's different ways of setting a location with something called a tracker variable, which uh, can iterate through and scale a bunch of numbers and then send that information back to the animation to change it. This is me playing around with the coordinate system and actually getting to simulate an object moving. Here I set like a velocity variable and then made a tracker for time, and the the dot play method basically makes an animator or a for loop for you, and iterates through as it shows the object changing. This was me setting up a scene for a collision sort of experiment, but I abandoned that idea and ended up going with just a simulation of gravity. And this that's graph, and then this final animation is a little lesson. So there's a free body diagram of gravity, demonstration of gravity, and then a graph to show the trajectory. Um, so yeah, I'm Thomas King, and this was my CS50 project.